Hello. Welcome to Happy Face Travels. I am Diana, and in today's video, I will be showing you 100 plus jobs available for you to apply. And guess what? We have the employer's contact on this list. So, this is the easiest way for you to get jobs around the world. Not only have we shared the jobs for you, we have also dropped the exact employer's information for you to apply right away. Guys, this is massive. From visa sponsorship jobs to remote jobs to digital nomad jobs, even to scholarships. Yes, we have bonuses for you in this video. So I'm going to take my time to explain everything you need to understand about this particular link. And the amazing fact is, I am going to be dropping this link in the description box for you to just click and go right away. This is what the site is going to look like. And let me just run you through so you know what you should expect from this site. As you can see, it says 100 plus jobs available for you to apply with employers' contact. So if this is your first time joining us at Happy Face Travels, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video. At Happy Face Travels, we teach you ways to travel around the world with little or no money. We give you daily updates on available jobs around the world. We also cater to digital nomads, remote workers, and even business owners. Yes, those of you who are business owners, we also show you countries that you can easily relocate to as a business owner. So this is the channel for you to follow so you don't miss out any updates. Okay, let me just take you through and explain. As you can see, guys, in this video, we're going to be showing you visa sponsorship jobs, scholarships, remote jobs, digital nomad. We are even going to show you how to create the perfect CV and resume. Those of you who have been having issues with your CV and resume and you've been applying and the employers are not getting back to you, this is the opportunity you have been waiting for. So in this particular article, we teach you how to write the perfect CV and resume. We also go a step further to show you how to send professional email to employers. You need to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video how to send a proper email. So those of you who have been complaining that you've not been getting replies, this is the opportunity you have been waiting for. We're also going to be showing you free and budget-friendly travel. Oh no, you didn't get that. I said we're going to be showing you how to travel for free. In this same video, we're also going to show you what is called budget-friendly ways to travel, meaning you're traveling with little money. And if this is not enough, we're now going to give you all the job listing that you will need in this video. Okay, so the first thing is we talk about visa sponsorship and all the other things I have mentioned. You just need to click on this link in the description box and access this article to read all of it for yourself. Can you see, guys? Send a professional email to your employers. This is all there for you. We tell you what to do in the opening paragraph, the middle paragraph, the closing paragraph, how to sign everything. You need to go and do this. Guys, Let me just give you one of my all-time secrets. When you're sending an email to an employer or you're applying for any form of visa, guys, you need to use your name as it is written in your international passport to create an email address. So I see some of you, your name is Emeka Wontu, and you're creating names like bi@gmail.com or ci@gmail.com. No, you have to create the email address with your name. So if your name is Joy, if your name is Faith, if your name is Faith Charles, you need to say faithcharles@gmail.com. So it is very important for you to create the email address with your name, especially those of you applying for visa sponsorship. The name should tally with the name on your international passport. And we go ahead to tell you the things you need to include in sending an email and also your CV. So guys, go to this link, read it up, and understand how to apply and start applying now. As you can see, we have all the list, guys. Look at this: Canada HR Generalist. The company is there, the location is there, the website for the company to contact them directly is there. All you need to do is copy this and paste on your phone browser or your laptop browser. Everything you need is there. So all you need to do is access these websites by copying them and sharing it on your browser, either your phone browser or your laptop browser. Okay, see the jobs waiting for you. There's also the United Kingdom, as you can see. So those of you who are interested in traveling to the United Kingdom, you need to come here to this particular site and you have all of these jobs waiting for you to apply for. Now guys, I'm going to give you a secret. Now you can see this particular job says data analyst. So if you are new in the data analyst field, you need to take some short courses and come here and apply, so that while you're applying, just in case you're sent an assessment or an interview, you will know what to say, how to reply, the terms they use, and this goes on for every other field. So there's also the care assistant opportunity, and this is their website. So all you need to do is come and scroll and scroll and scroll. As you can see, guys, there is something for almost everyone. And we also have jobs for the United States. So I have showed you for Canada, the UK, and now this is for the United States of America. So you just come here like so and go down and look for the job that best fits your profession. For those of you who are interested in remote jobs, you want to stay in your home, you want to work from home, you want to work from anywhere in the world, we also have all those remote jobs listed for you. Can you see, guys? Content writing fascinates me every time, because like I told you guys in the previous video, content writers are in high demand right now. If you're not a content writer and you're interested in becoming a content writer, leave a comment in the comment section asking me for the link to go and learn how to become a content writer. There are classes for you online to learn how to become a content writer, so that you can go right away and start applying for content writing jobs. Almost every company right now needs a content writer, because companies need content writers to write for their blogs and their websites. So content writing is something you need to look at. It's an amazing side hustle and also something you can grow as a permanent career. Can you see this, guys? Digital marketing specialist. I cannot overemphasize that digital marketers are in high demand, because every brand online wants to take their brand, their products and their services to the next level, and they rely on digital marketers. Just as I have online courses available for content writers, if digital marketing is also something you are interested in, leave a comment in the comment section for me to show you websites that you can learn how to become a digital marketer. Guys, can you see now there are 2 content writing gigs on this website? So what I just said in the beginning, that content writing is something you should look out for, it is so valid. Also, this applies for graphic designers and social media marketers, YouTube content creators, CV writers. CV writing is also a form of content writing. Guys, digital ads manager is also a form of digital marketing. Social media manager, they all evolve around each other. So this is a skill, and these are skills you must learn in the 2023 year. And as we march forward to 2024, these are skills you should step into 2024 with. And this is the perfect time for you to start learning all of this amazing skills that will help you take your career to another level. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to waste much time because I want this video to be very short. So just go to this link, go to this website and read up and apply for all of these jobs. And look closely to those jobs that keep repeating themselves, those jobs that a lot of companies are hiring for. Look at that and start learning about them if you're not already in that field. So let's just go down, and the next part talks about remote jobs for digital nomads. So if you're a digital nomad, or you're learning how to become a digital nomad, or you're a digital nomad beginner, you can also come here and apply. Now, the job still goes on. We did not even stop at that. As you can see, guys, we have more jobs for United States, and it goes on and on and on for different countries. We have for Canada, and it just goes on and on. Guys, this is a lot. It's a lot. Just go and start applying. Go and start applying. Now, we didn't just stop there. We now said something that should catch your attention. We said bonus just for you, our dear reader. So for those of you who stayed to this part of the video, this is your bonus. We also have international scholarships available for everybody to apply, and we have listed these scholarships here for you to just go and research on and start applying. Guys, we have also gone ahead to show you the free ways to travel and budget-friendly ways to travel. And this is our secret hack we are sharing here. As you can see, guys, we talked about local tourism bureaus, coach surfing websites, volunteer opportunities abroad, travel hacks and blogs. Oh no, we go ahead to still talk about your scholarship and grants, travel community, work exchange programs, local connections, budget airlines, and fare alerts. So for those of you who are always wondering how I am traveling around the world on a budget, it's because I have all these tips and tricks how I'm able to get cheaper flight tickets on a budget, and I have the ability to see when the alerts for the fares have been reduced. And we have loyalty programs. Guys, if you're a traveler, you must join a loyalty program. That way you get a lot of miles, you get free travel coupons, so many things. And we also talk about educational travel opportunities, online marketplaces, travel grants and fellowships, travel credit cards, house sitting, hostels and budget accommodation, overland travel, free attractions, networking events, and the list goes on, guys. So I'm just going to conclude here and let you go right now to this particular site and start applying. And just read everything. And you can also leave a reply, drop a comment, whatever it is, your email address, if you want us to contact you. Thanks, guys, for watching. And remember to subscribe. Tomorrow we will share another video showing you ways to travel around the world, showing you ways to become a travel and tech content creator, showing you ways to become a travel and tech digital nomad traveling around the world with little or no money, showing you ways to increase your income, to earn in dollars, to make the passive income, to also take your career to the next level. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm super excited being with you guys. I hope you guys were happy watching this video. I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.